Okay, hey everyone. So today's project is fixing this chair. So my big fat butt, well, it lasted a couple years, but I don't know if you can see that here. Anyways, there's a crack right here. So I'm today gonna use JB Weld and see if we can't weld this back together. So when you put the seat on, what happens when you sit down, your butt, it feels like you're gonna fall off. This thing's just all cracked. So let's see if we could if JB Weld will work on this project here. So once again, if you look here, you can see the middle part is cracked. So I don't know, we'll give it a go. I'm not sure if it'll work, but before I throw it away, why not give it a try? And maybe instead of my big fat butt, maybe my kid could use it. So you know, with the JB Weld, you put some of the white, and then you want to use about the same amount of the black. And then you just mix it up to get a nice gray color. So if you watch my previous video, I tried this with a bicycle pedal, and it lasted one day and it came back, the pedal came off again. So as a bike pedal, you're putting a lot of torque on that, you know. As with this chair, I don't think if we use as much torque with our butts. Depends what you're doing on the chair. Okay, so if you can see here one more time, you can see it's cracked there. Let's go ahead and apply some. And here. Okay, I'm just going to use my finger. So after we apply this, we'll let it sit for 24 hours. And then I'll put the cushion back on. And then see if it works, if it holds. So actually I already bought a new chair. This is just, I actually have a good idea if it doesn't work for the chair. I'm going to put the wheels back on and put like a silver tray on it, and I could use it like a little tool stand. Put some tools on there and I could roll it around or something. Okay, I guess that's it. It's kind of just rub it all around. Actually, that's not even, that doesn't even hold on that side, so I need a way to secure it. Okay, let me go get something to try to secure that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I use these clamps. They fit right here perfectly in here. Just on this, I'm just using this pallet as like a table. So they fit perfectly in there. So I'm gonna make another little batch. My dog caught a cicada. They have to find ways to amuse themselves. Okay, it seems like it's a pretty good amount of application on there. Alright, so we'll come back tomorrow, 24 hours, let it sit, see how it looks. And then I'll try it out and see if it actually works as a chair, if it holds my big butt. And if not, I'll just go ahead and use it as a, or just toss it, whatever. I was gonna toss it anyway, but I'm one of those guys that before I toss it, I wanna see if I can get some kind of use out of it. Like my fan right here. This was the kind of fan you hang on the wall, but it broke, so I just mounted it to this old TV mount with some clamps, and it works. So I'm out here in my little patio here, turn on the fan. I was gonna throw that away too, but okay guys, anyways, that's the JB Weld fix the chair attempt. Okay, we'll come back tomorrow and see how it looks. Okay, bye for now. Okay, hell yeah buddy, welcome back. So it's been 24 hours and as you can see here, my weld is dried. You get that under the light. So nice and hard. Looks like it's pretty solid there. So let's go ahead and complete the assembly, and then we'll give it the final test with my big butt on it. Alright, hold on. Alright, so I finished the chair with the JB weld. Now let's give it the final test to see if it holds my fat ass. Okay, so let's go ahead and if it holds me for a beer, then we know it's a success. Sorry, big head there. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's give it a test. Cheers. So far, so good. Let's give it a turn. Okay, I can feel a little wobble, but it's definitely suitable. Okay guys, I'll go ahead and give this a thumbs up and a success on the JB Weld chair, office chair, what's that called? Head fix, I guess. Alright guys. Well anyways, thanks for watching. Cheers, and if this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Okay, thanks.